This video is requested by @JJJKKKLL180. This video is rated R13. It contains that may not be suitable for under 13 years and over. Viewer discretion is advised.
Wow, the construction workers outside are using a huge jackhammer. That looks so cool.
Jackhammer go BZZZZ.
Ooh, a jackhammer? That sounds fun. I bet I could use one too.
Classic Caillou. Don't even think about it. That's dangerous.
Stay inside and behave. We don't want any trouble today.
PFFT. I bet using a jackhammer is easy. I just have to sneak outside.
25 minutes later.
Yes, perfect in the Lawsonville construction site. Now time to get jackhammer. Wrapper offline logic activate. Yes. Perfect. Whoa. This is awesome.
Breaking news, a small earthquake has just struck the area at exactly 9:45 a.m. Experts are baffled as this quake appears to have originated from a construction site.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cause of the earthquake appears to be this little boy.
A kid caused an earthquake. How is that even possible? Oh no, the earthquake coming.
Classic Caillou did what?
That boy is in so much trouble.
Hi, Doris and Boris.
Classic Caillou? I can't believe you stole a jackhammer and caused an earthquake.
You put the entire city in danger. You are grounded for
27 years!
1 decillion years? That's impossible.
Well, you should have thought about that before playing with the jackhammer.
Well, at least he made the news.
Classic Caillou mini earth go shake shake.
No TV, no toys, no playing outside, no jackhammers ever again, and no fun for 1 decillion years.
And as extra punishment, you will watch educational TV for the next 1000 years.
No. Note éducationnelle TV. D6 de W où il reste TD et vert.